Hi, GM, everybody. It is day 13 of the live challenge. Great day, I must say. All tokens performing pretty well. Kins performing well. We sold off Viral yesterday and purchased some supply of one of the calls that was in the group chat, Zinc. Zinc was an interesting one. Again, this is probably something which I want to write down, but I've noticed, and I don't know how I'm going to use this as an advantage. I don't even know if I want to use this as an advantage or an edge and add it to my strategy. But tokens with just a strong bundle and low holders, they just go straight to a few million. So Zinc is performing pretty well, as you can see. And most people already know what it is, so I'm not going to like blab about what it is. It's a little Ponzi, and it's pretty good, in my opinion. I would call it a Ponzi. We got in it at 600k at the 786 down here. And then as we started to break out and approach all-time high, and we broke this area here, I decided to increase. I decided to actually add to my winners instead in this position, because I do think it's very good. The closest compared to this obviously had a huge market cap being Ore, but Ore is like, come on now, Ore is something like, so John back, welcome. Ore was like a massive project. So I don't know if it goes that crazy. I do think we probably see the 1618 extension, which is a 2x from here. So that puts it at $5,000 of profit. And then if we do extend and really start to rally, which is very possible, similarly to what happened with Kins, it's very likely that we could, if we break that level, perform pretty well. We have another one. Kins bounced off the 0.5 very well. That's a huge bounce. It had that big red candle yesterday. I am going to wait for a proper dip and a consolidation. Wherever that may be, this can just keep rallying, no problem. But we will get another 786 entry for Kins, and we will take it. I also have a $2,000 moonbag as well, so that puts a total of $7,000 in profit on this position. Come on. And yeah, today we're going to try and find some new opportunities. But as always, guys, with this channel, how I trade is I'm looking for front runs. So what front runs do we have? We have the UFC, which is up 30% right now. Currently starting to build a nice breakout. You can see we bounced off of the 0.5 and we're looking to go towards all-time high. I'm comfortable in this position. 618 entry on that one. We have CrowdCam, which is good. CrowdCam is good. CrowdCam's another front run for the World Cup. And of course, we have the World Cup coin. Now, as I mentioned, right, everybody wants to buy up here. Now, if you're a moderator, can you clip this? That would be great. But with World Cup coin, everybody wants to buy the breakout. And you can see that by the volume. There are a lot of traders that, it is a good trading style, that buy breakouts, right? But it's also a very good trading style. If I clear this chart, boom, that buy pullbacks. Now, I like to be a pullback trader for big charts.
Me too. I like pullbacks.
Because I think pullbacks are the best opportunity. And I do think that it can run past all-time high. I will say that. Now, there is some caveats that people are saying, oh, there's other World Cup coins as well. I'm not opposed to that. I'm a trader, right? Whatever coin you're in, that's fine. Make your money. That's the goal of this. If you see a better opportunity on chain, you can take it, right? But in terms of what I'm looking to get in World Cup coin, I'm already in. We're up $20,000 on the position. We took profits, traded it very well. If it doesn't show my positions, but I purchased down here about the 2 mil range, and I sold about the 9 mil range, up until about 12 million. I had multiple sell orders on that. I've already put something in the chat. And I do think it's going to take some time, right? It could even come down to 1.4 million, right? Maybe somebody sells off, maybe a big KO sells off. Anything can happen. But it's at least going to be a good trade, all in all.
A little bit tired.
Yo, did you
Hey,
catch that the other day, bro?
which one? I've caught like multiple 10, 20 X's this week. It's been crazy. It's been a crazy week. Crazy few weeks, guys.
Hey guys, what you guys think about SAOS?
SAOS.
I'm having a look now, but that Kins, I made some good money with that one.
Yeah. When it's at 2
You
million.
hear about the message from Trump on the 1st on July? A lot of money is going to SAOS. You hear about it?
Stock? What is it?
No, this is the Strategy American Oil Supply. This is 15 days old. Have 18K holders. And
Can you put the coin address into the chat? I'll have a look.
yeah, I
And yo, Ty, did you catch the KINS? The
Yeah,
Kins?
bro. I made 10K on it.
Yeah, I made like fucking 9K on that one.
More to come. I'm gonna buy the dip on Kins as well when it eventually comes down.
in general chat or trenches?
In the trenches, that'd be great.
Trenches. Okay, that is.
In the trenches. Cool. Thank you, bro. How are you doing today, bro?
Yeah, I'm fine. A little bit tired. Woke up for 30 minutes. You know, I'm in Germany.
This one is a rug chart, I think. Just the fees. No, it's got legit fees. I don't know about this chart though. I bought the other one. I bought the one at 30K.
Yeah, I check out on X. There was yeah, a comment with Trump and BlackRock. They want to invest in SAOS. A lot of money. There's I check X to find the video and push a link.
Fucking hell, they launched another UFC coin. Fuck. There's another UFC coin. That's not good, is it? Let's see how that goes. Wrapped balls. What's this? I like this chart.
What? I
Wrapped
don't
ball.
understand.
Check my stream, bro. Up on stream. But yeah, I'm a little bit tired. I've been training every day. Today's session was wrestling, bro. I've even had a sleep. I had a nap. Woke up, I'm still fucked. Let me get the boys online. Oh, 1 moment. Wow.
yesterday, my administration's reaction to free Cuba and their oil reserves. There's a lot of oil that will flow through the strategic American oil supply. This turns out to Cuba's oil $300,000 in a days. This figure was against China with Trump has announced that he's prepared to flee Cuba with American aircraft carriers already deployed into the Caribbean Sea. But what shocked everyone the most was Trump talking about something called strategic American oil supply, while saying the U.S. wants to take over Cuba's oil reserve. If the U.S. really takes control of Cuba's oil supply, it could change the global oil market overnight. Because right as tensions rise in the Caribbean, China is between both countries.
Fall from you there.
Other will retire us. The purchase and captured oil
Sorry, but I can hear too much.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. I'm going to check trending. Any runners over the past few days?
Yeah, I'm hoping there's some another crazy coins this week, man.
Yeah, there will be.
But I also made some money on the pump mid month, innit? But other than that, nothing crazy. But I'm gonna deploy something heavier now, bro, because I'm not fucking around anymore, man. Even the other day, I made some nice changes. I seen that with
Nice.
myself as well.
Good. How you been there? Whereabouts are you? You in China?
Yeah, in China, bro. I'm setting up. I just got a warehouse here, massive warehouse. Um, Getting some contracts with businesses. Got a porcelain company trying to export urinals, some tech products. Trying to build up some like long-term cash flow now, man. I'm putting about £500,000 into this, see where it can go in it. But if I can't get something going in China, bro, I'm useless. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a serial entrepreneur, as you know, Ty.
Yeah, good. Good. No, you do all right, bro.
Yeah, nah. Just trying, innit? Trying to stay above the poverty line
Every day.
every day. Got a fucking cars are cheap in China though, man.
Mad, isn't it?
I've got a chauffeur Rolls Royce, bro. I pay him like $600 a day, man.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's not bad at all, bro. New Cullinan as well.
Hey, Ty, I
Hey,
post a
bro.
link from X in the trenches. Please check this out for SAOS.
Yeah, I will. I will.
This oil and gas one. What do you think? What did you think of that? Did you come to a conclusion?
Yeah, the actual coin I don't think is a legit coin. So I just brought there's another one at 30K. I just brought a little bit of that. But there's a good coin. There's a very good coin called Zinc.
Zinc, yeah, I'm having a look at it now. Yo,
ZINC.
did you see what's going on with Bullets? So they're shutting Bullets down.
No, they're updating it. It's not. They're not shutting it down. They're bringing out a whole new app.
Oh, they're bringing out a whole new app. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, because Bullets is a bit behind now, man.
yeah, it's a June 1st, 2 days. Yeah, I checked it.
I thought it said shut it down. It said withdrawals will be paused. I was like, yo, chill out.
Nah, I'll just send you money out there just in case. Got any in there?
But on the grand scheme of things, what are you thinking? Like, we've been in the $80 range, except that pump all month. Do you think we're gonna see more red, or do you think green's inbound?
It's gonna get worse before it gets better.
Oh, but it's been worse, man.
So you
Can
ain't
it even
seen,
get worse?
you ain't seen nothing
Like,
yet.
get a lot worse. Yeah, I know. I think we might have another little relief rally. Just a little relief rally first. I think we're going to see a little bit of green in the next couple of weeks before we go down even more.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'm just in USDT, bro. Waiting.
Or you stabled out.
Yeah, been stabled for almost over a year now.
You still for a year. Not trying to play the rocket rally.
I'll come in properly in a minute. Time's right. When the time's right, I'm coming in hot.
So what we on now with the 0 to 150k?
Started with 15k and now we're at 40k in a week.
40k. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Yeah, just easy, like not doing nothing crazy, just building up the account, building up the account. Because that's what it is. Like a lot of people don't know how to trade, bro. So I'm just showing people how to trade properly.
It's all strategy, man. It's all strategy. Like finding a good coin is not the easy part. It's the timing.
Yep.
The timing. That's why you got someone telling you what to do. But even then, when you've got someone telling you what to do, it's still not guaranteed, man. You got to know yourself. You can't make money with trading without a little bit of knowledge yourself.
Exactly.
It's just about that timing, bro. I met some like Korean billionaires traders, bro. These guys are absolutely killing the game, bro.
The Koreans are
Killing the game.
serious.
Yeah,
Serious, bro.
billionaires, bro. I've never seen that much money in my life. These guys are fucking driving around Bugatti fucking Devos around Korea, bro. They got £3 million watches on. Well, I thought I had money, but I thought I knew people with money, but you know, I seen these guys recently in Korea, bro. I was blown away, bro. And I imagine I just stumbled across them. I was at a car meet and these guys were there in some crazy cars. And I was just like, yo, so what do you guys do? They didn't even speak a word of English, but I said they do crypto. I was like, crypto? You do crypto too? And then we literally became friends, bro. But these guys shit all over me, bro. I feel like a peasant. I feel like do you remember back in the Thailand days when I was chilling with you guys? It's all over again.
Yo, you seen this Tim Payne?
Yeah, but I'm not top blasting it. Soko just bought it.
You don't need to top blast it. Basically, yo, there's. So do you know about FCM, that Football Capital Markets? Is that based at World Cup coin?
Yeah.
They have a Tim Payne, because they're basically World Cup buffer players. The actual coins are 4 mil, but there's a Tim Payne on there's like the World Cup coins. That Tim
Insane.
Payne's at 54k. Oh, now 60k now. I got 40k entry on it. I'll put it in my chat if you can see it. It's at 70k now. This one will probably flip this one very fast. 80k. Nice. 200%.
Yeah, I'm up.
I'll sell my initials there. Over 10 pains at 240k. Makes way more sense to send down there.
Yeah, I'm up a rack.
Yeah, I'm up a
Nice,
little
nice,
bit.
nice. Up $700.
Who the fuck is Blue Moon? It's got motion.
That guy from fucking that BNB guy.
Uh,
BNB wallet.
You know, there's another one from Pain.
Where? Where's the other one?
The other one is on 250k.
Yeah. That's the one that I was in. I traded this one at 100k, and then remember, like with World Cup, there's already like the World Cup players. There's tokens for them like Golden Boot and FCM and stuff. So rather than sending like a random coin, it'd make more sense. Like for example, if France was trending, you might as well buy France, the World Cup of France, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's basically the angle that I'm playing this. Wow, 130. Someone just absolutely won with that.
yo, at Payne in the chat, bro. Tell him he's in the wrong one. RC, at RC, bro. Tell him he's in the wrong one.
1 second, yeah.
Tell him to hedge the other one just in case.
Of messaging. Oh wow, this one's flying. What the fuck?
What do you guys think over Gosling?
Don't know. I took the entry. It's nothing crazy. I just if it runs, it runs.
It's right now on 886,
Yeah, I took that.
150k.
I took that, but just small. It's a narrative play. It's not really. There's no future catalyst.
Yeah.
Yo, tell him Blue Moon's sending this one, bro.
Yeah, message them.
He's up 2.4 M's as well. It's good.
Nigga wrote fuck FCM.
I'm locked in today, lads. I'm locked in.
Nope.
This is bullish for World Cup coin, all in all.
Very.
Oi, fuck SCM. Fuck his bikes too, mate. See that? PvP. Welcome to the PvPG. Well, the reason why this one's going down is because there's another one. I think it makes more sense.
I didn't even realize FCM was at 4.2 more. That's insane, isn't it?
Yeah, Gosling's pumping. 10%. Good call, bro, in the chat. Sorko's wallet, just put it in the group chat. Oh, this looks like it's getting scalped to death, bro.
Only angle is now people might say, why are we sending on this? A meme. He's being memed. That's the only other foot my brain's giving me right now.
I clipped. If it runs on CBA.
Makes sense.
Fucking hell, we're back to bull market charts. Up only 400k. 1,000 holders. Entry on Zinc for anybody?
What's the link?
Zinc is ore. It's just like ore. Got followed by Solana yesterday. You mine tokens on there. Can do 10 mil. Every project that's been followed by Solana has had a moonshot listing.
Like, if I was FCM right now, I'd be fucking buying up all of the supply of this campaign because this is actually a massive narrative. Imagine they got the guy 600k followers in like one day.
That's if the guy's awake. That's what I was thinking.
Like, if I was FCM right now, I'd put 20 grand in this chart right now. 100k. Spread hella wallets. Just control all the supply.
Oh, I fucking bought the wrong fucking FCM. Oh my god. Main one is coming down now. Bought the PvP.
Just RC guys about to buy this, I think, you know.
What's he saying?
They're about to buy this FC. I mean,
You're reading his mind.
some other guys in the chat just bought it. I reckon he's about to come in now. The other guys in the chat are gonna persuade him. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. I'm from fucking 100.
Oi,
Oh,
oh,
there you
see!
go.
Yeah, fuck that. Fuck you, nigga. I'm taking my rack. So the rack, this can run high, really high, to be honest. But with PvP, I'm getting in and I'm taking my P.
You know how I knew he was gonna buy it? Other guys in the chat basically responding to me. And then one of the other like whales, it's like a big whale. You put the eyes emoji, dot dot dot. And I seen the chart candling up, so I'm guessing they were gonna buy it. Oh, it looks like they fucking sold it now. Oh, Gake just bought the other pain. What a gangster. Oh
Cake always
shit.
buys he always buys the wrong one. He'll always buy the whichever one's not my grade.
Yeah, he said fuck you niggas. That is so funny.
See that chat? Get in, take your motherfucking P, bro. The PvP. Shout out GMGM multi chart as well. I bought the yeah, I did buy a fucking honey pot as well on my way. I bought the bottom as well.
On which
Who?
one? The one on FCM?
Yeah, who the fuck had a bundle on that? That must have been a crazy bundle, you know.
Bro, I would have done that, bro. If I fucking had that FCM chart, I would have fucking bought all the supply. Think about it, you can buy like 10% with like 10 grand. Well, not even 10, 7 grand will cost you 10% supply.
Take the entry on zinc, guys. Take the fucking entry on zinc.
No, this FCM, surely they're weak, bro, because they're Malaysia based. They'll be weak at this time.
Malaysia based. Oh, I know exactly
Unless
who
that
that
was
is.
them that funded it.
It's the guy from the trench house.
Yeah. Must be, yeah. What time's in Malaysia now? Like 5 p.m.
Yeah, it's prime.
But that could have been them, though, to be honest. That bundled it from the jump. And they might have just nuked it on RC.
PvP is done. Still holding Tamagotchi? Yeah, it's supposed to come out tomorrow. Hello, every time one chart goes down, the other goes up. What the fuck? What's the PvP? It's on the screen. Chat, for some reason I saw it's 50 degrees in my office, bro. Oh, I think it's the windows. 90k now for the other one. Not in though.
Good.
This is gonna go all the way back up to all-time high they were paying, you know.
What, the one on FCM?
Yeah.
I bought it, bro. I literally bought it, the Pico bottom at 57k. I traded that chart perfectly. Got 40k entry, took initials at 120, traded it, sold an RC, bought it at 57k.
Split through only on
I
GMGM.
just made a tweet.
Get on GMGM. Get on GMGM. Split view.
I made a tweet to add them. I wrote you could do something really funny, FCM, and add them and put the CA.
Split view, best app in the game. Every single chain, whether you like it or not, you're going to be on GMGM eventually. What if Mega ETH starts running? You sideline for Mega ETH. What if Monad starts running? You sideline on Monad. All these other companies are trying to add all these chains in beta. They didn't even work.
Hey, so you see, like on World Cup coins, you know how they're not on cashback or anything. Where does the fees go?
Don't know. Anyway, chat, I'm done with this PvP. I'm on to the next shit. Where's that cope with soul? I don't know. I've got order on paying at the 786. The main one at 786. That's it. Yeah, iOS and Android available. It's the best app. Everything else you have to add as a web app. So you may as well go on the website. No, I don't get why every buy is being slammed. Like, slammed as well. The guy's been trying to trade this chart. He's down $400. Bear buys and sells. To be fair, look at that again. 2K sell. They'll be cleared out eventually, though, won't it? Look, I'm on 16 hours a day, and the amount of coins I see on this go to zero, even from devs, is thousands and thousands. It's not even worth holding any of these. You will zero out before one hits 10 mil without insider information as a low port. The psychology is all mixed up. It's all wrong. Firstly, normies don't see all the thousands of coins that's launched. There's only a small portion of traders that even can spend the time on new pairs. Secondly, if you trade and you scalp new pairs, accept that you're not going to be in a run-up. You're not going to be in a run-up because you can't hold, you can't hold. So this guy said this, look.
me personally, I think it's probably going to decay. It's going to dip down quite a bit. It's because there's just people that are up so much fucking money. And again, it's easy.
Volume is hot for real. Everyone's online. The fuck? To be fair, all of that PvP is just pumping World Cup coin. Fib strat's OP. I know, bro. I know. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. It limits the amount of trades you can take as well. Like coins that might be really high. I didn't buy stocks yet, but when I'm at unks, a true unks, I'll be using the fib on stocks because it works on stocks too. There's another football narrative. Pulisic. Hey, Riches, how's that Dembele coin looking? Or Mbappe?
No idea.
What's it called?
Mbappe, dictator Mbappe.
I put order 100k on it. And 125.
I was ahead in Melbourne, I don't even know.
Yo, FCM just liked my tweet. Why didn't they crime it?
If it breaks out, I might get him. Looks like crimey, bro. Crime is initiating. You should tweet that they liked it as well.
What's that? Bro?
I just tweeted a crime confirmed.
What are you looking at, boys?
This Liam Payne, I'd buy both anyways, though.
Yeah.
I'd buy the one on what's it called, on Pump and the other one on this FCM. Both decent.
We have orders on Neo at 15k. If anyone's looking at it. It's another football narrative. It looks like it's football meta today, which is good. Pretty simple meta. Someone is just deploying new pairs for Kins as well. I love it. I'm not sure. Let me know why it's pumping, bro. Give me some alpha. Give me some alpha. Yo, Riches, how was your weekend anyway? Or your past few days?
Calm, you know. Nice, chill. Literally just laid back ones. Just having good food and stuff. How about yourself?
That's good, man. I'm in need of some new food, but I've been eating the same shit every day, bro. Can't.
Yeah. Just take a quick stop to Dubai.
Yeah,
But
bro.
what time you go UK? Like if you go America or UK or whatever, it's a bit better. Like food's a bit better than Thailand, in my opinion.
I'm coming to Dubai, innit?
People buy an asteroid. Oh no, it's an asteroid. How the fuck is this asteroid like 15 million bags? I didn't even realize.
Yeah, bro. And I was in at 300k. I got footed out. I wouldn't have held it that long, but
The fuck? Bags coins are back.
no, it's just that one because the woman actually claimed the fees. She claimed it ages ago.
How much she make on fees?
That she
Let's
must be
see.
over 100 bags.
Oh, she make $250,000. Clean,
Quarter
253k.
ticket. So bags actually pays out better than pump then, yeah?
Yeah, fees are way better than pump. I think pump pay like 30% of the fees. Damn, one like this.
Send this to somebody. Oh yeah, imagine this, Rich. There's an OG asteroid on ETH as well that's vamping. The normal one on ETH.
Yeah, I think the market's just reached like a stage of no return. Like this whole vamp culture is just taking liquidity out of like every good narrative.
Yeah.
So like I think it's just finished now. Unless someone dropped from tech where it's like, look, you can only buy this CA and everyone trades on a platform where it's like only one CA can be launched. You can never relaunch the same CA again. Right, I don't know how it would work, but other than that, like it's fucked. Because imagine how high Asteroid would went if there wasn't one on Soft, there wasn't one on Baked, if there wasn't one on fucking. There'll probably one on BSC, and like if everything was on E4, everything was just on Soft, Asteroid would have been at like $1 billion by now, probably.
Yep.
Yo, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing?
Good, bro. How you doing, bro?
I'm good, bro. Woke up late. Gotta get ready for it.
Get to scanning, man. Find some cooks.
Yeah.
Hey, Riches.
Yeah.
Oh, check my Instagram. Child, I just put the Maddie's post on Instagram. Old post. 8 years ago now. Fucking hell. Maybe I'm a young. I don't use Instagram enough, but I can't be asked to sit and wait another day to post. So if you're watching, watch, listen. Give shit away for free to prove that you actually provide value and to deliver value. It's an energetic return. You give energy away, you get good things in any industry, and then charge for it. And then when you charge for it, charge whatever amount. Don't even start small. Go as high as possible and then work backwards. And that's how you become successful selling shit online. If you don't want to sell shit online, then find something you're good at and focus specifically on that. Ignore everything else, block everything else, remove everything else, remove me if it's not in the same industry, and just master that craft. And then go back to step one and do that all over again. Peace. Give shit away for free to prove that you actually provide value and to deliver value. It's an energetic return. You give energy away, you get good things in any industry, and then charge for it. And when you charge for it, charge whatever amount. Don't even start small. Go as high as possible and then work backwards. And that's how you become successful selling shit online. If you don't want to sell shit online, then find something you're good at and focus specifically on that. Ignore everything else, block everything else, remove everything else, remove me if it's not in the same industry, and just master that craft. And then go back to step one and do that all over again. I use Instagram.
Whatever it lands on my roulette watch, we're gonna do here.
Okay, Neil's almost at entry, 19k. Payne's doing okay. The other Payne, I don't see it. The other Payne's at 90k. So we're chilling now. Up $500 net on the session. Atlas looks okay as well. I see it. What do you think of Atlas, Wids? On its way to migration.
Well, I'm not gonna touch it. Shara's holding it.
Ah, gay boys in.
Everyone reverse trades him, so it's gonna be difficult to fucking find a banger with him in.
Six, 7 depth trading as well. Per gram this week. 6. No. I heard some stuff about that 6-7 stuff, man. So I can't even do all that. It's supposed to be like a actual court. All right, chat. Let's get the energy up in the chat. I've done with my Instagram hiatus. It's got to be done. Let's get the energy up in the chat. We're gonna make some moolah, hopefully together. And we are going to cook. If you missed the last trade, that's okay. It wasn't a 786. There's PvP. There was this and there was that. They didn't even go up that much. So understandably. It's okay. We are going to find some more runners. So stay active in the chat. And let's see what we can catch. I'm going to order some food because I am a fat boy. I'm actually not even a fat boy anymore. Can't stop losing weight right now. Just cutting. I'm imagine this, Rids. I'm 80 kilos now, bro. I'm like 85.
Sure.
How much you weighing now, bro? You lost the belly.
The last time I weighed myself, I was 82.
We're in the same weight class, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Still guillotine.
If you sell, you're gay.
Yeah, you should buy that. That's for you, bro.
Well, if you sell it, you're gay, innit? So if you don't buy it, then you don't partake in it. Just won't buy it.
Oh, you should redeploy. Don't buy gay.
Don't buy it if you're gay.
Yeah, don't buy if you're gay. Those coins used to do so well, you know. Those like daft coins.
A horror in Switzerland as a Muslim terrorist does 4 people at train stations.
Oh, it's an easy
Screaming
vamp.
Allahu Akbar.
It actually runs. If it gets like 20, it's an easy vamp.
What? On this gay coin,
Mm.
if you sell your gay. Yo, good front run opportunity, you know, on
Talk to
GTA.
me. Yeah, but GTA is
On GTA.
so high, bro. So high.
It's 190k.
No, it's not. It's like 2 million.
What GTA 6 are you looking at?
Bro, the GTA 6 coin, bro.
Oh,
it's a lot of
408.
The one we brought and we
Yeah.
was like, oh, we're not going to sell it. And then I fucking sold it.
Oh, I was looking at one even older. There's one even older that's like 800 days old. That's like 200k, you know.
Really?
That's the one I was looking at. Yeah, it's at 198k. And
What's
it's
the
getting
all-time
accumulated.
high?
Like, wait, why is this other GTA 6? What's the difference?
No, I can't know. Well, what is it at?
Oh, it's for
140K?
GTA 6 coin. Oh, 1.5 mil. Okay, I see.
Yeah. I'm waiting for 600K. I'm hoping we just need a few more runners. Like if we get,
It'll come down anyways because the only reason it's running out is because they released that new trailer in the beginning of the month. But they're actually releasing the game in November because they delayed it. So I was speaking to Grok this morning. I was like, if you had to guess when would they release the next trailer, they were like, they'll probably release it sometime in summer. So Grok was basically guessing end of June, early July. So
that's calm.
if you bid it around like the 20th of June, you'll probably find like a really good entry, and then they'll release the fucking final trailer because usually they'll release a trailer like 3-4 months before the actual game.
Okay.
So that's like your probably best bet. Sometime in June, July. If you find entries, you'll be alright. And you just hold that for a few months. You'll make money on it. I'm Gwerk on the biggest meme on football right now. He's been dubbed Slabber due to his massive forward to the TikTok section. Oh, looks like people don't care if Sharon's in anymore.
No, it is just a good coin. But it's true. I get what you're saying. Sometimes I do this. And Cowboy Bro. I'm gonna wait for a dip on that as well. I was bidding the 10Ks of everything. Something's gonna do that 40K, 10K move, innit? Today. And let's go back to fucking.
Yep, usually that's the case.
I know. Some guys a 3K intro on it. He did call Atlas. I know, bro. W's, that's a fucking 10x. I wasn't dialed in on new pairs. I was waffling on the internet. Lad. Sometimes I just got somebody just tells me inside. I just gotta go. I know there's someone out there sat on Instagram right now in bed that just needs that. They needed me to just tell them one time, and yeah, I'm not too harsh, just gently. Do you know what I mean? It's caress their mind, bro. Be like, yo, wake up a sec. You get it? Someone needed inspiring there. God told me. And then boom, gone off the internet again for a week. ZKFG, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm still in Zinc. Goslings. UFC is doing so well, even though it's being PvP'd. It's holding up very well, which shows me that it's got good holders. Like they're not cheats, you know. Did you get in
Bro, I
UFC?
was just about to say that.
Yeah, it's good, right?
UFC looking real good. Yeah, I had bought some yesterday. Just been watching it.
I know Trump tweets, but I don't know how high it goes. I'm gonna set limit orders just in case I'm offline. And if
You
like it's
know, they say his birthday. It's on his birthday, so he's supposed to be like, be there and everything. His birthday is on one of the fights, so
gas
I
ball.
definitely think he's gonna tweet about it.
But chat, we're just chipping up right now. It's like a poker tournament. Every day we're just gonna keep chipping up, chipping up, chipping up. It's okay if you miss one of it. It's fine. We did the dips. We'll just keep chipping up, chipping up, chipping up, and you'll see how the account will grow. This is a masterclass on portfolio management and growth from a real trader. A real trader, me doggy. You guys see me doggy? Then once we get to 150, I think I'm gonna do a stream called making 1K a day. So I'll do like, I'll make 1K and I'll log off. Make 1K and I'll log off. But I don't know if I actually want to do that because there's a have you guys ever heard of the I don't know if it's called a fallacy or it's like a parable, right? So there's a parable that the story goes, I might be like, well, it's not word for word, but the story goes, imagine you're a taxi driver, right? Taxi drivers drive the same shift every day, right? So let's say you do like a Monday to Friday, you do a 9 to 5, right? And then maybe you work a little bit on the weekends, right? But what happens when it rains? Well, when it rains, you get paid double as a taxi driver. So actually, mathematically, it makes sense to keep the same 9 to 5, but when it rains, work like a 12-hour shift, work a longer shift because you get paid more. But taxi drivers, like, statistically don't do that. It's the same in crypto. Like, if I did the 1K a day challenge, it would be great. It's a proof of concept, like you can make 1K a day, whatever. But sometimes when you're on a run, you're on a run. Do you get it? Like, sometimes if you're on a run, you're on a run. Best to just stay online. 2 sold to 18. W cool. You made 18 sold? GG's, bro. Fuck it is. It's dangerous conditions, yes, but only if you're not following a strategy. I have full belief in my edge. Whatever edge you have, you should have full faith in that edge and trust in that edge, and it will pay you. As you see, Mr. Rich has got the paying call. We got one boy in the chat got a 3K entry to 30 or whatever, no 40. So you just boom, 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 boom.
Bro, Punk Fun posted my wallet earlier. I was like, what the fuck?
What?
They was like this trader bought in at Ken's at 186,000 market cap. I'm like, what the fuck?
Oh, did you hold it right all the way?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
How much did you make?
I'm still holding it now, but it's like 17, 18, but I only put in like 1,200.
Yes!
I'm gonna send you a screenshot, bro, and like, I appreciate you, man.
Put the wins in the wins channel, bro.
Yeah, I read the message you put earlier too, though, with the war and everything going on. So I need to, have my little extra strategy. I'm just, I'm waiting for it to get to a certain part, bro, like a certain, you know what I'm saying? But
Bro, I would say this, right? How much have you got in your bank? If you don't want me asking.
as far as what the just soul just sitting to play around with.
No, in your actual bank account, is it more or less than the amount in the trade?
Nah, it's less. I ain't gonna, it's less.
So I would sell 75% now, put that in your bank, go for a nice meal. That's what I would do. Because there's always going to be more opportunities. And you still got a moon bag. So it's fine.
Okay.
And look, even if it goes up another 10x, trust me, 100 grand won't change your life, bro. I know you might feel like it will change your life.
Oh, no, I definitely agree with that, bro. Yeah. Definitely agree with that.
Take it out. You can put DCA sell on or whatever. Take out like whatever's comfortable for you, 10 grand, something like this. Like at least more than 50%, and just transfer that straight to your bank. And you're good. It's gonna feel so good when it's in your bank account, bro. Make sure you ain't got no fucking direct debits or some shit. You're Gucci, bro. It'll feel good.
For sure, man. I appreciate it, bro.
No
For
worries,
real. Like I
bro.
said, it's like
Congratulations.
I should have took a screenshot of the Safe Moon play that you called some months back. That's what really put me in the game.
Wait, tell Rids about the Safe Moon one. Rids, remember Safe Moon, yeah?
Bro, I remember like yesterday, bro. That shit was.
You know about Safe Moon on fucking BSC?
No. Soul. Safe Moon on Soul.
Soul.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in the VC. I wasn't talking. I normally be in the VC, but I was in there and I was just listening. And Ty was, I remember, I don't know if you called dude or you messaged him, and he was like, "Oh yeah, this is a confirmation. The dude from Safe Moon, he's a part of this or whatever, or he's backing it." Bro, I took my whole 13K and then fucking dumped that shit in at the bottom. Like fucking maybe a few hours later, shit just shot up crazy. So,
Yeah, that shit went like
Fucking G
10x,
shit, bro.
bro. How much you
yeah,
make on that one?
that was around the time with what was it, Trump and everything, all the tokens. Like it was just easy to make money.
Yeah,
That was around that time.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, them
but yeah, I
times it
got
was
off like
worth it because if you lost your whole pot, like you could
150.
literally just get £10 and fucking start again. Like
literally,
sometimes it's
bro.
actually worth full points. Yeah. Like you could get wrecked and then miner, you go work for fucking 3-4 days, come back with your fucking $100-$200,
Someone
and
shows you a
then
20K
Oh yeah, I
market cap and it
definitely
goes like 5 mil.
someone shows you a coin and just it's actually a glitch sometimes.
yeah. I mean, I
That's
just
why
kind
they
of like go
don't
with my
retail, because
gut,
every
bro.
time they
I
left,
don't do
they
it all
come
the time,
back.
but
Mm,
But I
I don't.
generally
I just
think,
with me, bro. I really just kind of like base it off people. Like, okay, like this is something that has a real good, and it don't always work. You know what I'm saying? We've been in space for a
yeah,
minute to know that, but when you really have a good ass narrative, it's like, fuck it, why not, bro? I'm gonna take this little chance. Because I mean, it only take 1 or 2 wins for you to really get in the game. Like people don't understand that.
yeah. I've
yeah,
noticed
it's true,
like
bro.
good narratives are always like they're older than like 10 hours, 10, 12 hours. And always above 100K. It's very rare that I find something on like a fresh pair just migrated and it gets like what Payne just had where it just like goes. Do you know what I mean? Like normally like the my best trades recently have been like a few hours old, above 100K or like around that 100K range, and then they just catch on.
Um,
Recently those ones for me have just been so good because like even with that Pain, you see the other Pain like buying it and then one guy's stacking like a grand and he's down $300 and it's like, what are you even doing? Like some people are very impatient. I've noticed it's like buckets of liquidity. Like there's a bucket of liquidity like money for like new pairs, getting them migrated and trading them for a few hours, and then those guys they just go back to new pairs. And then there's another liquidity which is like Telegram groups, VCs, Discord communities, and then there's another pool of liquidity which is like FOMO and copy traders long term. But I feel like that second, third pool of liquidity, they hold longer. Like the average hold time on FOMO is 2 days. That's 100 times longer than the average hold time on terminals. 100 times longer. That's fucking insane.
Yeah. That's
And
why,
then
like, bro, to be honest, I kind of like I listen more to like or I look in like the new pairs and I'll just watch and I'll be like, okay, cool. I already know it's gonna probably pump and it's gonna dump, and then let me see how how it operates that maybe 24 hour next day type of thing. And if it's like a real good narrative or it catch fire, then I just go ahead and jump in. Then that's like that's my way of doing stuff. I fucking suck trading new pairs, bro. Every time I jump in, I'm just not good at it. You know what I'm saying? So I like to go more based off of like the narratives and like the front running type stuff.
yeah, same. I really love this front run strategy, bro.
Yeah, bro. I was gonna ask you, do you think it's gonna be probably any, like war tokens or anything that we might want to start looking at in case stuff get crazy, even more crazy again, or
Rich is on the front lines, bro. What you saying? How's it looking at the?
Yeah, there's a lot of people that they are speculating that it kicks off again. Market agrees already, I guess, but in terms of what, like buying coins related to war, I don't really know. I didn't really trade any coins related to war, but
Yeah.
you'll
There
probably
isn't
find
many.
something.
There was
One of
there was
those
like
war scams.
Warcoin. Warcoin was good, but
Mhm.
that's already migrated to Pump Fund, and I think they all sold off
It wasn't
after.
war. I'm sure there was a war on Bonk. Yeah,
Yeah,
there was a war on
migrated.
Bonk. I think. Yeah.
So they
That one went
migrated
to
to Pump Fund.
that one went to 6. Oh, they migrated to Pump. Oh
Yeah,
shit.
yeah. Warcoin,
That one.
I would have won the trench house with one trade. Imagine that. If I actually like
True.
the issue with with that is I didn't stick to my strat, and that one there it went to 786, and I bought 1%, And then I was like, fuck. Like I had 40K and I was like, fuck, I just put half my port in this fucking thing. And then I was like, no, I'll sell. And then back and forth. Bro, 3 days later, bro, that shit went from 2 mil to like 6. I was like, boom, that would have been dub. First place. After
You
that
said
moment,
football. Oh shit.
go on, bro.
Just it's football robot called Atlas, bro. I've just seen it and
Yeah, we were scanning it earlier.
everybody's bought. Just migrated then.
I think they're shit, to be honest, because there was that one of these for Mexico. Mexico had this bot that one migrated and topped at like I think like 50K. It was called like I forgot what the name of it was, but they never really run high. They just chill around here. I think it's topped out, to be honest, at 50K or 70K, wherever it went to.
Or volume.
Volume on chain's great though.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
So it's only like it's not even started deep American hours yet. That means it might be actual banger today, you know.
Looks to be bouncing this boys off a 618.
Clean. I don't really bid 618 post bonds normally unless it's like really good. Normally I'll bid 786 post bonds on like trench
Yeah.
cooks because it's like average from like 50K. That will be a 10 12K entry, so it's good because
Yeah.
then that's a 5x back to all time high. So plus EV long term. You can lose 5 trades, win one, and then back to break even. Whereas 618 is a bit tough because sometimes like things go 50K, 80K, 30K, 30K, 50K, 0.
Mm.
Do y'all reckon Solana is gonna go to like 30, $40?
I hope so, bro. I really do. I really hope I get an entry. Like, I've been really patient because like the past few bear markets, I got cooked. Like times like this, I'd be like getting my portfolio back and growing, and then a few months later, some fucking shit will happen, nuke, and then like
Yep.
happen all over again. Like every like relief bounce is heavy. So this time around, I'm really being patient. I'm being like, okay, like I'll buy a few thousand Solana when it goes to like $30, $40. And just like try trade it like an actual chart instead of trading it like just like buying something, you know, actually charting it and being like,
Yeah.
boom, boom, boom.
Trying to get good position and everything. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, the Telegrams in Discord. Put exclamation mark Discord in chat. What do you think, guys? Where do you think it's gonna go though?
I can see about 40 something bucks worth of Solana, to be honest, but I hope not. But I mean, well, in a sense, I do. But it's like, fuck, yeah,
Mm. Yeah, I think the market will be really bad if it goes there. But the thing is like we had like
yeah,
Bitcoin and Fartcoin bounce the last time the market was really bad and useless coin. Like I don't think the money really goes anywhere. There's always like a 10, 20 mil running. The market was really shit when that animal coin was running as well. Penguin and all that.
oh yeah, yeah. But that's what I was gonna say. Like, do you believe it's like? I mean, I'm trying to see because to be honest, when the market get really trash, I don't even really be paying attention myself. But the tokens that do kind of like still be moving sideways or upwards. Like, what's your take on that? Like, any certain tokens you kind of just like, I'm gonna just let ride, or you just kind of like, fuck it, I'm gonna just go stables, wait, and then get back in the safest route.
I'm in stables way before that, and then it's the opposite. I'm deploying capital when the market's dry.
Yeah, goddamn.
What do you guys think of Peps? I don't know if it's a clean rug. It's like Kins. Oh yeah, it's a rug. I thought one of
said,
these
what's the name
Kins
of it?
coin. How? What the fuck? How's? Oh no. Yeah. These Kins keeps getting deployed on new pairs, but I don't know if it's a. It's running, but fuck, chat.
I was looking at something yesterday called it's another gaming coin. It's called what Tiny World, but it don't seem as fun. Kind of
Yeah, Tiny
complicated.
Worlds. I like
That's from
Tiny
what
World,
people
but
say.
this is a rug chart or something. Yeah, there gotta be a rug chart. I don't know. I can't even get an entry on this Peps. If it's legit, I think it's gonna be like White Whale. Do you know White Whale was running? And then there's like new pairs that just get crammed up. What the hell actually is this even a real chart? 0.2 fees. Yeah, it's fake.
I'll be trying to catch those animal coins. They be coming out with like little sob stories. Every one I get don't ever go up, but like
Yeah.
somehow fucking the fucking zebra with a fucking broken toe shoots up like crazy. It don't make sense to me, bro. Like that's something I have to
Yeah.
work on is finding which animal is worth investing.
I have no clue either. Like I understand the viral ones that are like actually viral, but like I don't really understand all the other animals and stuff like that.
It's like it'd be like a cat, like a cat fucking went through something bad and it just shoot up, and then you'll find a monkey that go through the same shit and it just don't fucking go crazy.
They're pushing in Mbappe on BNB. Imagine. Looks fake though. Oh, Trolls at the 786 by the way, if anyone wants entry. Goblin also 786. Don't know if I'm feeling Goblin though, chat man. Like, does it really get? I ain't got the alpha from SBF to take that kind of position. Like, is it gonna? Not SBF, whatever his name is. Is it gonna get listed? I seen AI coin, bro, but I brought it at whatever and it went down 30%. So I clicked. I'll buy it post migration though. I don't mind if I have to wait half an hour to take a good trade. No problem with that. My goal here isn't to like ride every coin that bonds. It's to find coins at the fib levels, mass extract from the floor. Make like $500 a grand. Chill. And then when there's a good coin, like a Kins or something like that, we hit the Kins. Maybe we only get one or two of them in a month, but we make 10, 15 grand off those. Boom. We do
Nearly
like,
70 solar pumpkins now, bro.
pardon?
Nearly 70 solar pumpkins now.
You 70 solo?
Yeah.
Yes! Yeah, man.
Come on, G.
Make sure to TP a little bit as always,
Fucking
bro.
10k fucking lost streak as well, bro. So nice, man.
See? Make sure to TP a bit, bro. I was saying to one guy, like, always, if it's more than what's in the bank, TP and just put a bit in the bank and that crypto money
Yeah,
comes
yeah, I
over.
heard you saying that.
It's important, bro. Because there's always going to be more cooks. And obviously, I think Kins, honestly, Kins looks like a 20 mil coin. Don't get me wrong. Right?
Doesn't
But
it?
also, most coins, they have multiple corrections. They already had a 50% correction like yesterday, or had a little bounce. If that doesn't hold, it will roll over. It's like a
Yeah.
618. Do you know what I mean? Which will put it at like 1 point something mil. That's it. It's like me, I generally think I'm probably gonna get another 500k entry, but I could be way wrong. Like it could get moonshot listing and stuff like that. It's at that level now where it's like
Yeah.
the team can invest because they have so much supply. Remember, people were like, "Oh, the bundle," and I said, "Nah, if the bundle holds, shit's gone."
Mm. Yeah.
So, like, I'm not trying to feel like or sound too bullish on it, man. I'm trying to remember, bro, like in like certain gaming cryptos, like I think they kind of was still doing pretty decent in the bad. You know, folks want it was like fuck it, bro. I mean, I'm losing money, might as well put in this fucking game and play it.
Yeah,
But
well,
I could be way
Kins is
wrong.
the best crypto game I've ever played. The best crypto game I've ever played, hands down. This other pains broke out now. 560.
Yesterday, they said it
Oh
was
shit.
a guy he was sending out like fake links, and he got it like a lot of people cans tokens and sold it 60K.
Yeah, it's
Crazy,
sad like
bro.
that, man, because there'll be some guys that will be their whole port, you know? I think that stuff's so sad, man. Like, I could never do that, bro. Like, take people's like take people's money from fucking scamming, bro.
Same, bro. Like I think it's like a good and a bad thing with that, but you know, it's like I'd rather take the righteous route. It's gonna be longer, but yeah, I got morals, bro. Can't just go around doing that to people.
Yeah, right. Like the long route ain't even that bad, bro. Like at least it's the honest. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I was uh I was in that USDC token with the USDC pairs. I was like, fuck it, I help these guys out so we can push the token. They try to do like a CTO. I seen the dude buy a website, it was pretty dope and everything, paid for dicks. And they had like this chick, I guess, and he kind of vouched for her. And they was trying to raise money to like, I think it was like get it on CoinGecko and some other shit. And turned out the girl just took our soul, so I lost like 1.5 soul right before you called Kings. You know, I
What
wasn't
the
tripping
fuck?
on her, but I was like, you know, it's my fault, but I kind of thought I could trust a little bit. You know what I mean? CTO, everybody trying to make bread, but
Bro, I get like 20 messages a day, bro, of like all these old projects that have done well in the past, and then they message me like, "Yo, I'm launching this new coin." I read the narrative. I was like, "Would I buy this if I just seen it?" And I'm like, "Nah."
yeah, yeah, it's like it's like you fucking adapt and evolve like throughout the cycles and shit, bro. Like I was one of my buddies, old buddies, we was working on a few things. He had this B. It's called B Mills. He had this token that was supposed to come out on Polygon, but you know that shit never did. He spent most of the money trying to develop the shit. So I was down 40K. There's just so many different projects, bro, pre-sales and shit that I just never got my tokens. But it's all learning, bro. I'm happy we kind of all passed up that stage.
Yeah, bro. Shit happens, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll be honest
You
too.
know,
For me, it seems like I make way more like every cycle. Like I make some shit, and then like I probably lose it, and then the next cycle I just make even more. You know what I mean? But
It's literally
it's a
like that,
learning
bro.
experience.
It be like that. I'm not gonna lie, it be like that,
Yeah.
bro.
FIFA have sponsored this Atlas on there. This Atlas robot thing.
Have they? What, the
Probably
Chinese?
time
Chinese
on it
thing?
doing tricks and that on the fucking field for the people, for the fans.
I rate that. I'm waiting for my entry at like 16 if it gets to. My fib numbers is 786, 886, 618. I'll only buy 618 on like a fully bundled coin that's like really high. Or if it's on Ethereum or BNB, I'll buy a 618. Or it has to be like a fucking giga now. Like for example, say like Pain. If I was that bullish on Pain, I'd buy the 618. I haven't even checked it, but I wouldn't be surprised if during the PvP it came down to the 618. That's the type of thing I'd bid.
Yeah.
If not, it's just standard 786s. And then sure, I tried like bidding a lot of 618s, but I found myself buying at the 618, buying at the fucking 786, buying at the 886, and then like just losing a bunch of money. And then I've realized like you have to like tune it a little bit and kind of get a feel for it.
Yeah, I watched
What
him.
the,
What he put
what's
on. Right, fib.
what's 140 kg? Oh my gosh, he's bonded. I can't hear this guy. Turn your mic up, big man. Hey, World Cup coins bouncing nicely though.
You still holding Kins, King?
Yeah, I've got 2 grand moon bag.
Yeah.
closed out 5 and left 2. Now I'm gonna buy more on the dip.
Oh shit! There's the building site up for penthouses.
So I wonder if that's what I get for the maxed out resources, because have a look. Yo, all servers full. What the fuck? That is mad. They're 4 servers now as well. Marco, how you doing, bro? I hope you're well. Chat, I have the munchies, so I'm gonna go downstairs, find some food. I'll be back in 2 minutes. If anyone sees anything in the VC, just call it out for chat. How's meme coins been? The market's been great. Yeah, Atlas has been. I'm in zinc, still holding. How are you, bro? I'm amazing, brother. So 2x on the Discord call, but I brought more, so I'm down a bit. I'm trading with USDC because I'm not bullish on Solana right now. No difference, not on GMGN. I don't know about any other platforms though, but I think they all route it through the same exchange. So there shouldn't be no difference. Oh, they're violating. Oh, they blurred it. High-end spa days. Vloted. 11 years. Yo, Kobe there.
Yo, bro, what's going on, man? How are you, bro?
What are you saying, G?
Good, man. I'm good, good, good. I caught some runners this morning.
What'd you get?
Went to that Happy Coin. Went to that 150, and then a few others. Literally just log back in right now.
Clean.
Good EU session.
Your volume's been great.
Literally, bro. Yeah, man. Just got to catch the next runners.
Neil, we're close to entry. This might have just been a vamp though. Don't know.
If you're watching this video, my name is Neil Kennedy, and I'm telling you right now, congrats to the boys who made the U.S. Men's National Team World Cup squad. Didn't happen for me this time, but this changes nothing, because after the World Cup, I'll be announcing which team I'm signing for.
GM. it's because crypto is down. The market's dumping. Oh, my friend must be up. He had a $2 million short on with major leverage. And we were right. Short, yeah. I don't know how much margin he put, but he's on YouTube. Is this guy? Just don't use his dodgy links. I'm joking. Use Blowfin.
I'm preparing to double the size of my short position. Here comes the money. Here we go. Everybody understands what's going on because the market's about to go down by quite a lot, probably. It means that people, despite being a long position,
$180,000 profit, $240,000 profit, $200,000 profit, $1,600 profit. About $1 million. Yeah, exactly. I was very close to taking the short. You seen that, right? But hey, we made the same amount on meme coins anyway. I'm trying to be really fucking disciplined, boys. You guys are seeing the discipline. The fuck? They're vamping Atlas.
People who are loving AST.
Yeah, so AST has thousands of retail investors, as you mentioned, the space mob. And, you know, they're a little reminiscent of the crowds that used to rally around meme stocks like GameStop and AMC, except the space mob really believes in AST Space Mobile. They think it's going to become the next trillion-dollar company, and they're not in it to make a quick hit. They really believe in the technology. AST is pioneering direct-to-device technology, which are satellites that beam cell resection directly to your mobile phone, which is something that satellites traditionally have not done. And so they have, you know, rallied around the stock. They fixate on every shred of corporate intel from the company. They track their regulatory.
I'm taking a 618 on AST if I get it.
That ship the company satellites. So they're about as devoted as a fan base to a company as you can get.
And that devotion means the stock is up nearly 6,000%. Over a 22-month period. We're looking at it on a one-year basis right now. Talk to us about some of the leadership amongst the space mob. Kook. Who is Kook?
So the Kook is he's a California-based private investor.
Where's Kook? Who's Kook? Yo, Kook. Kook.
Yo, bro. Yo.
Look for Kook and ASTS. ASTS as well. Meme stocks up 60x this year.
An AST. Yeah, bro, I literally bought an OG one. Let me even find it. ASTS. I actually bought one. Let me see what it's at now. It's at 11.
Why does it have that weird A though?
No, the one that I'm in, the one that I saw, is literally, it's normal. It's literally got the right A. But I just don't know how big it is though. Because I've been seeing a few of
Oh
them
no,
come out.
that's how we put. That's how we post. That's actually how he puts it. He puts that A in. This Kook guy. Yo, Devacoin send him fees.
1 sec. To be honest, I don't think the meta's that strong though, man. Because there's been so many and none of them are literally even going.
It was 60x space stock, bro. And we're talking about IPO coming up.
Oh yeah, and I can't send fees. I don't think on the app that I deploy on. Let me try.
Oh, it's from the fucking 9th of May. Cancel, 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 cancel,
Okay,
cancel.
okay.
Cancel, 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 cancel. Why are they bonding coins from a post from 9th of May? My bad, chat. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad.
The Arena coin. Apparently, the dev actually launched it. Like the dev of the tech actually launched it.
Is
On
it good
Surface
though? Do
EM.
you remember that Bags coin yesterday and the guy claimed the fees and it just went to zero?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
Kekia's coin.
yeah.
Yeah, let's put this on Arena. Apparently the dev was cracked. And he literally launched it himself.
Where's the website? Where's the...
Yeah, that's any website. It's getting nuked. I'm down. I saw it already.
This is
It
shit.
might just be locked.
This shit, bro.
Yeah.
What is that? 3 people in the chat, or 10k plus on Kinge, you know? Alright, guys, if you're up on Kins, put your wins in the winch channel, please. I want to make some marketing footage.
Tokens, it was like 500k already.
Oh, I called it out 100k on the stream.
Yeah, I think I was locked. I went locked in that day.
No, he wasn't online.
Yeah, no, Kins was a good call, man. What's that now? Like 2 mil?
Yeah.
Yeah, insane.
More to come though. There's a big thing for football. You see that pain? It's called the beta. Cooked on it earlier.
Bags coins are so hit and miss because if they go, they actually go, but like they're so slow.
Yeah, bro. No, we're gonna FUD, bro, but I have not made a profit on bags. I've lost money and lost money and lost my own energy as well, like talking to devs and this, that. It's getting scammed. Literally getting scammed.
Yeah, Bags is 50-50. That's not even 50-50. It's like 80-20.
Yeah, 80-20 for sure. Money. Here comes the money. Everyone is lying to you for money. That is jokes. I got in World Cup at 3 mil for like 3.3, so at 4.7. They've definitely got a market maker track. 'Cause every time we get close to 786, it's like I just don't want to go there. Oh, my food's here. One sec, chat. Yes. Fat boy's ready. You ready, chat? I can't even push out my belly anymore. Ah. That's mad. Shit. Yo, did you get in that Trump coin?
Which one, bro?
Trump.
Oh, it's just on.
Yeah, 40k now. I'm just gonna take my earphones out because I'm just eating. If there's anything, just put it in gen chat.
That's looking for the breakout.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna get PvP to 0. Chat, we got chicken wings and chicken soup. inside the box. Okay? Okay? Inside the fucking box. Right, I'm gonna take this downstairs. Come on. Yeah. Thank you, gang. Great. Okay. I'm ready, steady. So it's unnamed. No one's gonna buy that. Exactly, boys. Oh, profit, chill. Wait. When a trade comes, take it. We didn't get entry on Neo, unfortunately. Oh shit.
It's hard. Is y'all call pain?
No, well, we didn't get entry. It pushed to 90. I set the wrong fib as well. The fib should have been from 50. It came down to 14k.
I be trenching hard. I be sleep. And then when I started looking into the trenches, y'all be sleep.
Yeah, it's like that, bro.
Right now I'm at work, so I can't really do so but listen.
I'll be in a different time zone soon. I'll be in Dubai. That should be better for you. Probably on next month. Zinc, I already said, bro. I'm still holding. You see. Yeah, still holding zinc. Alright, we got entry on Atlas. Let's see how bullish this narrative really is. Risking 2 soul to make 10. 5 to 1 risk.
Like fairly short time horizon, sort of like this decade, basically. You know, we're going to hit extremely, extremely powerful systems. I mean, I think about the sort of jump from GPT-2 to GPT-4, right? GPT-2 was sort of like a toddler, right? GPT-2 could sort of count to 5, and then it would get confused, you know? It could say kind of like vaguely plausible sentences, and then it kind of veered off course. That was 2019, right? GPT-4 was kind of like 3-4 years later. And you know, people make the common mistake of
for $20 a month. I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's GPT-4. There's a hilarious Roth Douthat tweet the other day where he's like, look, the singularity will be nigh when ChatGPT can pronounce my name, and he like tweeted it out, getting it right.
Beauty of Twitter is it's like I try to tell these people, I'm like, you have the ability to tweet at billionaires. There's anons with hundreds of millions of dollars that you could be
Ooh. Asteroid. But this is why risk management is super important, isn't it? There's some guys that are down like $2 million on asteroid. So 65 million, not bad. Has it been super good? Bro, it's been amazing. It's very like, comes in waves. Comes in waves. Like, a minute ago, coin just flew straight to like 600k, so it goes in waves. Oh my gosh, Ebola is found in Europe. There's one thing after another with these guys, isn't it? All right. 1 second. And then we're active. Then we are fucking active, boys. Hey. Hey. Okay. Fat belly full. Hadouken.
Hey
Hey,
Ty,
chat.
you think viral could be like a competitor to Pump eventually?
All right, we're 50% on Atlas. See how it goes.
You heard me on Ty?
Not that bullish on it, but it's a good entry. Any good meme today? Yes, there's a few. What's Twitch looking like today? Do 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 do. Pain's finally dipping. A little bit. Who are they sending shows to? The fuck? No way.
So we bringing back satire comedy. You can't be mad at us, man. You're gonna laugh about it. I promise. I promise. I don't know what he talking about. I'm getting
Ah!
married, so before we get married, we're just gonna have a little fun. I told him put a sock in the drawer and put them gray sweatpants on so he got that nigga print in his drawer. That's what I told him. I'm not black. I'm Robert Downey Jr. I'm wishing you would be black. Man, I love Robert Downey Jr. I mean, great, man. But I was praying that Steve could be a brother for a day. At least my brother. Brother. Thanks, brother. I'm Robert Downey Jr. in that movie Trump. I've only seen half of it. I haven't seen the full thing. Okay. He unfixed you, so we were really gonna go past you. Y'all looking out, man. I appreciate y'all. This something different, my nigga. So they finna take you and just let you get whatever
Big old Steve will do it, man. I'm gonna watch this. Man. This guy gets so much done in one vlog. Like a week, innit? Is the tech out for this? We need to get entry on this shit. Looks like Bonk's gonna have another run as well.
Okay, we're leaving. Let's go. This is mandatory for us. Quick game of low beans before US session. Yes.
บูสต์ผิวใสลดจุดดำได้ไวมากเขามีไทอะมิดอลนะคะคือเป็นสารไบรท์เทนนิ่งประสิทธิภาพดีที่สุดลองใช้ไป7 วัน
You'll see creeping up too.
Oh shit, yeah. I bought Ilya Taporia. Should buy Conor McGregor as well, innit? I'll buy Conor McGregor as well.
With you, bro. I miss you, bro. I love you, bro. I'm gonna take one first. I can't just give it to her. I gotta take one first. They had that for you, though. Idiot.
I think, yo, do you see the other UFC coins, chat? I bought all the other ones. Ilya Taporia, Conor McGregor. I had 0.5 sold for the winner, chat. We'll play one game on Asian, another game on US. Six seconds. You better be fast. 3, 2, 1. Oh, tough. See if Adoni, go type in UFC, go to the website, and then pick your fighters. They're all super low, like 6K market cap.
Still in a Artless King.
Yes. Is it pumping? Yeah, or is it dumping?
Looks like it wants the 886.
Yeah, I got a stop loss just below there. We'll see. Might not run, but something to trade. Did you see the UFC coins there?
No, I'm not seeing.
So go on the UFC coin website and look at all the coins they got on there. They're super low, still new pair.
Yeah, I'll check it out now.
Wait, what is going on? Yeah, don't ban sharks. Mods, stop banning people, bro. Unban people. Oh no. No! Please. GG's, 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 GG's. W Blaze. We'll get another one going on US. Same link.
ทริค2 สเต็ปของพัดบำรุงก่อนด้วยยูซ r รินบูสเตอร์เซรั่มควบคู่ด้วยยูซ r รินซันสปอตเลสมีสารไทอะมิดอนใช้คู่กันนะ
Same link, 0.5 so. My order came through on Forest as well. I don't know how bullish that is there. Analos is good, but there's like it's been done a lot before, no? Why is it so good this time? So I got a jump. Man, like, chill, bro. What you saying, bro? All right, we're up 100% on Forest. Got at 9K, it's at 20. GG's to the winner. Also, we are up 7 Sol on Forest. Drop the wallets in the general chat with a screenshot of the winnings. Shout out to everybody that managed to get in Forest. I know it's a bit frustrating because we have a few other positions already, but just gotta play the numbers game. I bought Forest because it's a different